Hi, I'm glad you're here. This is Aishwarya from Meeedly, the world's best business to business meeting scheduling tool. I will be your host, guiding you through a series of advanced programming concepts simplified for easy learning and practical use. Let's jump right into it. So far, we have built a server using Express, created paths for get, post, and delete, used middleware, and handled 404 not found and 401 unauthorized errors, and tested everything in Postman. Today, we are finishing strong by learning how to handle unexpected server crashes using try catch and return a 500 internal server error. This is something every real backend developer must know, so let's dive in. So, why do we do this? In real applications, things can go wrong. The database might be offline, your code might throw an error, or the user might send something unexpected. So, if we don't handle it properly, the server could crash, and that's bad for both the users and developers. Instead, we catch the error, log it, and send a proper response using the 500 internal server error status code. It tells the client that this is not your fault, something went wrong on our side. So let's add that to our API now. Open your server.js and add the below code above your 404 handler. Let me explain the code line by line. Here, app.get introduces a new get path in the API. Throw new error means that we are pretending that something is broke, like a real crash. And crash error is the block that catches any errors that happens inside try. And console.error is where we print the error to the terminal so the developer sees what went wrong. And finally, rest.status 500 is where we send back a 500 internal server error and a helpful message to the client. This is how real APIs handle internal failures. Instead of crashing or returning nothing, they respond with a clear message and a proper status code. After you run the server in the terminal, open Postman and let's test it out. Set the method to get and in the URL type the following. And now click send. Your expected response should be error something on the server went wrong and your status should be 500 internal server error. So that's perfect. We simulated a server error and instead of breaking, the application responded cleanly. The user sees an error and the developer sees a log in the terminal. Thank you so much for joining me in this Node.js API series. The skills learned here can be used to build APIs, connect to databases, create full stack applications, and much more. This is just the beginning, so keep learning and keep experimenting.